Hello everyone. In this video I will solve exercise 8, lesson 2 in unit 2, review mental math strategies. First one, solve the problems using the compensate to make benchmark strategy. Show your work. Letter A, 38 plus 85. How I can use a compensation strategy? To use compensation strategy, we said you should add a number or an amount to one number here. After that, after you get the sum, you should subtract the same number or the same amount from the sum. As you will see here, we have 38 and 85. You can add 5 to 85 to be 90, or you can add here 2 to be 40. 38 plus 2 equals 40. 40 plus 85 like this. 40 plus 85, 0 plus 5 is 5, and 4 plus 8, 12. The answer is 125. Take this sum and subtract 2. Subtract 2 or subtract the same amount from the sum. 125 minus 2 equals 123. 123 is your sum. Next one, 43 plus 9. Take any number and add to, we have here 9, we can add 1 to 9. Here I have 49, here I have 43 plus 9. You can add 1 to 9 to be 10. After that, make addition. 43 plus 10 instead of 9. We wrote here 10 instead of 9. Equals what? 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 1 equals 5. That means the answer is 53. We said after you get the sum, you should subtract the same amount. We added here 1, you should subtract 1. 53 minus 1 is equal 52. 52 is your answer. Next one, we have here subtraction. We have subtraction statement. 54 minus 17. If you have subtraction statement, or if you want to make subtract, you should add an amount to the subtrahend. Where is subtrahend? Subtrahend here 17. You can add 3 to be 20. After that, make difference. As you see here, 54 minus 20 instead of 17, because we added 3 to 17. 54 minus 20 is 4 minus 0, 4. 5 minus 2 is 3, 34. You should add more. Here we subtract the same amount, but here we should add the same amount. We should add 3 to 43 to be 47. 47 is the difference, or is the answer. Next one, we have subtraction statement. 92 minus 39. Where is subtrahend? Subtrahend is the smallest number. 39, you can add 1 to 39 to be 40. After that, you can make subtraction. 92 minus 40 equals what? Take ones with ones, tens with tens. 2 minus 0 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. So the answer is 52. And we said, if you have subtraction statement, you should add again. Add after you add in the first step. You should add 1 to 52, or to the difference. 52 plus 1 is 53. This is the answer, or actual answer. Next one, letter A. 333 plus 149. You should add an amount to one number. I will add 1 to 149 to be 150, as you see here. 333 plus 150. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 5, 8, 3 plus 1, 4, so 483. We said after you get the result, you should subtract. You should here subtract because we have here plus, but here we add. Here we add after in the last step. In the last step here, we will subtract the same amount. We added 1 in this number. You should subtract the same 1. 483 minus 1 equals 482. Last one, 953 minus 499. You can add 1 to 99 because this is subtrahend, we will add 1 to be 500. After that, make subtraction. 953 minus 500. 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the answer or the difference is 453. We said if you have subtraction or a subtraction statement, you should add the same amount. We added 1. After that, we will add 1 more. 453 plus 1 equals 454. Number 2, solve the problems using the breakup and the bridge strategy. Show your work. I will use breakup. Breakup means you should write the numbers in expanded form, as you will see here. 700. Here I have 1 in tens place, means 10 plus 3. Next number 125, it will be 100 plus 20 plus 5. Next step, take ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds, and make addition because we want to find the sum. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. So the sum is 838. Letter B, 42 plus 27. We can write or break up the two numbers, or you can break up one number only. But here I will breaking the two numbers. 4, it will be 40 plus 2. 227, it will be 20 plus 7. Take ones with ones, make addition. Take ones with ones and tens with tens. 2 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 2 equals 6, or 40 plus 20 equals 60. 69 is the sum. Letter C, 75 plus 27. 75, it will be 70 plus 5, 27, 20 plus 7. Ones with ones. 5 plus 7 equals 12. You can write 2 and carry up 1 here. 70 plus 20 equals 90, or 7 plus 1 plus 2 is 9, and 1 more, it will be 10. 102. Here we have subtraction statement. You can make the same, or you can use the same strategy, breakup and bridge. Here 44, it will be 40 plus 4. 23, it will be 20 plus 3. Subtract ones with ones, tens with tens. 4 minus 3 is 1. 40 minus 2 or 20 is 20, 21. Here addition, we can write 402 plus 20 plus 3, 200 plus 10 plus 3. Add ones with ones, tens with tens. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 2 equals 6. The result or the sum, 636. Last one in this question, 33, it will be 3 or 30 plus 3. 1 plus 12 means 10 plus 2. Subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. 30 minus 10 is 20. The answer will be 21. Number 3, estimate to find the results. Use front-end estimation strategy. To use front-end estimation, we said you should leave the first number without a change and write zeros instead of the digits before this number, or number in highest place. I have in highest place 8. To estimate this number with using a front-end estimation, you can write 80. 1 and 17, we write 1 and 0, 10. 80 minus, because I have here subtraction sign, we can say 80 minus 10 equals 70. We get the difference with using the front-end estimation strategy. Letter B, 100 plus 70. 100 plus 70 equals 170. Here 1000 plus 500, but here we have subtraction. 1000 minus 500 is equal to 500. 700 minus 200 equals 500. 400 minus or plus 300 means or equals the sum is 700. Last one in question 3, 75, it will be 70 plus 10 or minus 10 equals 60. Number 4, estimate to find the results using or use rounding strategy. Rounding strategy, you can make round to 10, round to 100, round to 1000 as you like according to your numbers. Here I have 168 and I have here 59. Here we will round to 10. 168 minus 59. If I make a round to this number, or if I round this number to the nearest 10, you should see the number in tens place in two numbers. Here we have 6. After 6 we have what? Number less than 5 or equal 5 or more than 5. We have 8. 8 more than 5, and we said if you see in the next place or next number is 5 or more, you should add 1 to number or digit in tens place. So we will have here 176. It will be 7 now after rounding it to the nearest tens. And here we have 9 in the next number or next digit. 9 more than 5, that means you should add 1 here to be 6. 170 minus 60 equals 110. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus nothing equals 1. 110. Here we will round to 100. Where is hundredths place? Here, hundredths place we have 9, and here we have 0. Make rounding to the nearest 100. Here I have 0, so I will write the same number, 500 without a change. Here I have 9. Next number is 9. 9 more than 5, so we will add 0 here. If you put here 0, you can write, or if you put here 10, you can write 0 in hundreds and 1, add 1 to thousands place. So I have here 2000. 5,000 minus 2,000 equals 3,000. We will round to nearest 10 or to 10. Where's tens place? We have here 4, and here we have 8. 3 less than 5, so we will write 980. 1 less than 5, so we will write 140. 980 plus 140, take ones with ones to make addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Write 2 and carry up 1 over 9 to be 10. 10 plus 1 equals 11. So I will have 1, or the sum it will be 1120. Next one, we will round to 10. Where is tens place? Here we have 2, and here we have 5 in tens place. Round 5. We have 8 after 5, 8 more than 5, that means you should add 1 to 5 to be 6. The first number, it will be 560. Second number, we have here 2, and after 2, 1. 1 less than 5, that means you should write 320. So 560 plus 120, make addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 1 equals 7. 780. Next one, we will make rounding to, or round to 10. In tens place 0, next number is 3, so we will write 2100. And here, tens place we have 5. Next number is 9, more than 5. That means you should write here 6 instead of 5. So the first number it will be 7,860. Second number it will be 2,100. 100. Now we can make subtraction. 60 minus zeros equals 60. 8 minus 1 equals 7. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So the difference is 5,760. Last one, and number 4, 3,000. We will round to the nearest 100. We have here 5 in hundreds place, and here we have 1. 5 after 1, after 5, 1. That means write 5 without a change, 500, and here 3,100, because we have after 1 we have 1 less than 5. So 3,100 plus 500, it will be 500 or 5,600. Number 5, add or subtract mentally. Use add to subtract strategy. Show your steps. You should see where is the subtrahend. Subtrahend is the smallest number, as we said in the previous video. You can add to or count up to reach to the minuend. Minuend is the biggest number. So here I will count after 192. 192 means or needs what to be 200. You need 8. You need to add 8. 192 plus 8 equals 200. We want to reach to 284. Now I have 200. Take 200 and add what to be 280. You should add 80 to be 280. Take 280 and see first number. We have 284, so you should add 4 to 280 to be 284. Next step, take all numbers here, make addition. 8 plus 80 plus 4 to find the difference. The difference is 92. 8 plus 80, 88 plus 4 equals 92. The answer or the difference is 92. Next one, take subtrahend and count up to reach to the minuend. Here I have 98 plus 2 equals 100. Here I have 101, so you should add one more to 100. 100 plus 1 equals 101. Make addition here between 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3, so the difference between two numbers here equals 3. Next one, subtrahend 47. Write 47 plus what to be 50, because I have here 50. We need 3. You should add 3 to be 50. But I have 54, so take 50 and add 4 more. 54, 50 plus 4 is equal to 54. I get the biggest number. So take the two numbers here, 3 plus 4 equals 7. The answer or the result is 7. Letter D, 76 minus 68. Smallest number or subtrahend is 68. Count after 68. We need 2 to be 70 like this number. Add 2. Take 70 and see first number 76. 76, we need to add 6 to 70 to be like this number. 70 plus 6 equals 76. Take 2 plus 6 to find the difference. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 is the difference between two numbers, or 8 is the result. Next one, 631 minus 589. Subtrahend 589. You should count up to reach to the next or the biggest number. Here I have 589. We need what to be 590 to be 89, 90. We need 1. You should add 1. Take 590 here and add 10 to be 600 instead of 500, because I have here 600. I have 630, so you should add 30 to 600. I have 631, so you should add 1 to 630. Take the result here and add 1. Now we reach it to the biggest number or the minuend. So now we can make addition. 1 plus 10 plus 30 plus 1 is equal 42. 1 plus 10, 11. 11 plus 30 equals 41, and 41 plus 1 equals 42. The difference is 42. The difference is 42. Last one, and number 5, we have 142 minus 95. Subtrahend is 95. You should count up to reach to 142. 95 need 5 to be 100. We will add 5. 140 means you should add 100 plus 40. You should add 40 to 100 to be 140. And take the same number and look here, we have 142. You should add 2. After that, take 5 plus 40 plus 2. The number or the difference between two numbers here is 47. Number 6, add or subtract mentally. Tell the strategy you used. First one, 27 plus 39, 31. I can use break and breach strategy. 27, it will be 20 plus 7. 31 equals 30 plus 1. And make addition, ones with ones, tens with tens. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 20 plus 30 equals 50. 58, the result or the answer. Next one, we will use the same strategy. And I have here 68, it will be 60 plus 8 and 20 plus 4. Subtract 8 minus 4 is 4, 60 minus 20 equals 40, so the answer or the difference is 44. Here we can use a compensation strategy. 116 minus 97. You can subtract 116 minus 100 instead of 97 because we added 3 like this. 116 minus 100. After you get the answer or after you get the difference, you should add 3 more, as you will see here. Equals what? Equals 16. 6 minus 0, 6. 1 minus 0, 1. And 1 minus 1 equals nothing or 0. 16. And we said if you want to use compensation strategy and you have difference, you should add the same amount again to the difference. So we will add 3. 16 plus 3 equals 19. The difference is 19 or the result is 19. We will use the same strategy, compensation strategy, in this one. 78 minus 15. 15 to be 20 we need 5 or we need to add 5. After that, make subtraction between 78 minus 20 instead of 15, like this. 8 minus 0 is 0, and 7 minus 2 is 5. The answer is 8 minus 0, 8, 7 minus 2, 5, 58. We said you should add the same amount more or add again the same amount, so we will add the same number, 5. 8 plus 5 is equal 13, 5 plus nothing equals 6, because we write 3 and carry up 1, 63. Here we will use estimate the front end strategy. Here 2, write 2 without a change and 1 without a change. You make addition between them, 200 plus 100 equals 300. And here the same strategy, front end estimation, 300 plus 1 minus 100. Equals 200, and here 500 minus 300 equals 200. Here we can use another strategy. We can use breakup and breach strategy. Next one, 993. We can use another strategy. We can use breakup and breach strategy. 993 it will be 900 plus 90 plus 3. And 19 it will be 10 plus 9, and make addition now. 3 plus 9 equals 12, write 2 and carry up 1 here. 10 plus 1 equals 11, write 1 and carry up 1 in 9 over 9. 9 it will be 10, 1012. Next one, we can use a compensation strategy. We have here 674, you can add 6 to be 680. After that, make addition. And the next step, subtract the same amount or the same number from the sum. 680 instead of 74 because we added 6. 680 plus 332. 0 plus 2, 2. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Write 1 and carry up 1. And 4 because we carried up, or 7 plus 3 equals 10. We have 1012. Take 1012 and this is the sum. You should subtract the same amount from the sum. You should subtract 6. 1012 minus 6, it will be 1006. Next one, here on Friday, this is a word problem. On Friday, there were 2,999 people at the museum on Saturday. There were 1,465 people. Use mental math to find how many people were at the museum during the 2 days. Explain your strategy. We can add two numbers here to find the sum or the number of people in 2 days. Here the number of people equals 2,999 plus 1,465. We can use this strategy, compensation strategy, to find the sum. You can add 1 to this number or first number to be 3,000 instead of 2,999. Make addition now. 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 4, 4, 3 plus 1 equals 4, 4,465. We said after this step you should subtract the same amount you added from the sum. So you should write the same number here. So you should write 400 or 4,465 minus 1 equals what? Equals 4,464%. Number 8, Andy's dog weighs 45 kilograms, Sally's dog weighs 27 kilograms. How much more does Andy's dog weigh than Sally's dog? Explain your strategy. We will make subtraction between two numbers here, 45 minus 27 to find the more kilograms. For 45 minus 27, we can use compensation strategy or you can use add to subtract strategy. This is the subtract hand and we should add to reach to this number. We have 27. 27 needs what to be 30. We need 3. You should add 3. Now I have 30, but here I have 40. So you should take 30 plus 10. You get 40. 40 what? 45. So you should add 5. After this step, you should add 3 plus 10 plus 5 to get the difference between two numbers. 3 plus 10 plus 5 to get the difference. Make addition now. 3 plus 10, 13 plus 5, 18. The difference between two numbers or the more kilograms is 18 kilograms. Number 9, writing about math. Is Wael's explanation of the steps he used for mental math correct? If not, give the correct answer and explain and explanation. Find 565 plus 302. 565 plus 5 to be 570. I added 5 to 565. After that, 570 plus 300. Instead of 565, we make addition between 570 plus this number, 302. Because we changed it or we added here 5 or Wael added 5 here. 570 plus 302 equals 872. You should take this number. This is last step. You should take this number and subtract the same amount you added in the first step. But he here not right because he added 5 and you should subtract 5 or he should subtract 5 not added. So we can say Wael's explanation is wrong in the last step because he should subtract 5 not add 5 to be 872 minus 5 equals 867. My dear students, we finished lesson 2 and unit 2 and we solved exercise 8. I hope you understood well and see you in the next video. Goodbye.